Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about the linear equation from class 9th. So first thing is, what is a linear equation? Linear equation, it is an equation which represents a straight line when plot on a graph. So you can see here in this graph there is a straight line ax plus by plus c. So this is known as the linear equation. Basically linear equation means it is an equation in which x and y don't have any power, that means they have only one power. As you have done in the polynomials, if only 1 degree then it is called the linear. So here also it is in 1 degree, so we call them the linear. So next is, what is general linear equation? So in two variable x and y, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called the general linear equation or standard linear equation. Next is what is the solution of linear equation? Solution means, every line consists of infinite many points. So in this line infinite points are there. So it is the point lie on the line. That means इसमें जितने भी points होंगे वो सभी solution होंगे. और simply the value of x and y will satisfy the given equation. x और y की जो value होगी यहाँ पर कि equation satisfy हो जाए तो उसी को हम solution बोलते हैं. So we have an example here. Solution of x plus y plus 3 is equals to solution of x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0 is minus 1 minus 2. As you can see here, see, if x is minus 1 and y is minus 2 and plus 3, it will be say minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. That means equation satisfied. So this minus 1 minus 2 is the solution of the given this x plus y plus 3 linear equation. So let us see something more about the linear equation. After the introduction of linear equation, now we have a question. How to write a linear equation in the standard form and to get the value of a, b and c. This can be understood with the help of this example. So here are three equations which I have written and I need to change them in this form and then I will need to find value of a, b and c. So how to do? See, first part. So in the standard equation you can see everything is written on the left side, right is 0. So here I need to take this to the left side. Then I will have x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this will be 1 into x plus 1 into y minus 12 is equal to 0, and here I have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let us have a comparison, a then 1. So therefore a is equals to 1, b is also 1 and c is equals to, here is plus and here minus, so minus 12. So these are the answer of the first part. Now let us see the second part. This is 2x minus y is equals to minus 3. Take it to the left side. इसको हम left side में लेके जाएंगे तो plus हो जाएगा is equals to 0. Now comparing with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So you can see it can be written as 2 into x minus 1 into y plus 3 is equals to 0. Here is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here you can see a is equals to 2 because here a is here and 2 is there. B is equals to minus 1 because here is minus 1 and c is equals to 3. Likewise you can do this third part also. See, third part we will do it here. Third part, this is 2x plus 0y because y is not written there, minus 3 is equal to 0, and ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we'll have the comparison. So therefore a is equals to 2, this 2, b is equals to 0, this 0, and c is equals to minus 3. So likewise you can write any equation in the standard form. Hope this is clear. आगे चलते हैं. How to write the solution of any given linear equation. So I have a question here. Find 4 solutions of 2x minus y is equals to 5. So how to find the solution? This is quite simple. Actually what we need to do, we have 2x minus y is equals to 5. So what we will do, either we will keep the y as independent variable and x as dependent, or we will keep x as independent and y as dependent variable. This is up to you. So what I do, minus y is equals to 5 minus 2x, then y will be, I'll just divide this minus 1, so minus 5 plus 2x, or you can write y is equals to 2x minus 5. Now I need to make some box, and here I will write the value of x and y, and I need 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4 solution will be written here. Now see, y will be calculated on the basis of x. Suppose I have kept x is equals to 0. So at x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 2 into 0 minus 5. It will be minus 5. So it is minus 5, one solution. Next, at x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 2 into 1 minus 5. So y is equals to 2 minus 5, y is equals to minus 3. So at 1 it is minus 3. At x is equals to 2. So these 1, 2, 3 numbers I am just putting as a trial and error method. Just put some number and get some value. Then y is equals to 2 into 2 minus 5, that is 4 minus 5, and y will be minus 1. So at 2 this is minus 1. And finally, if you want, you can put some minus number also. Here also, at x is equals to minus 1, y will be 2 into minus 1 minus 5. So y is equals to minus 2 minus 5, y is equals to minus 7. So this will be at minus 1, it is minus 7. So these are the 4 solutions, and you can write them like this. Therefore 4 solutions are 0 minus 5, 1 minus 3, 2 minus 1, and minus 1 minus 7. So these are the 4 solutions. Basically these are the 4 points. You have learned all these things in the 3rd chapter in coordinate geometry. This is the solution. First value is of x, second value is of y, first is x, second is y. Likewise you can find the solution of any given linear equation. So let us do one more question. Now we have one more question. Write 4 solutions of 2 upon 3x plus y is equals to 3. This will also be done with the same method as we have done the previous question. So here we have 2 upon 3x plus y is equals to 3. So either you can keep the y at left or x, it is up to you, but I will take y. Y is equals to 3 minus 2 upon 3x. So now you just make a box, and value of x, and here will be value of y, and I need 4, so I will make the 4 boxes. So let's see क्या कर सकते हैं इस बार. यहाँ x की value, just keep the value in the table of 3 only, because we are going to divide with 3. So either it may be minus 3, plus 3, minus 6, plus 6, and you can put 0 also, because 0 will make it 0. So at x is equals to 0, y will be 3 minus 2 upon 3 into 0 is equals to 3 minus 0 is equals to 3. So at 0 it is 3. Now at x is equals to 3, because we can't write 1. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 upon 3 into 3. 3 will get cancelled. 3 minus 2 will be 1. It will be 1. So at 3 it is 1. Now at minus 3, x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to 3 minus 2 upon 3 into minus 3. 3 will get cancelled. So 3 plus 2 ones are 2. So it will be 5. So you can write at minus 3, this is 5. Next at x is equals to, you can write 6 also. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 upon 3 into 6. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So y will be 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. So at 6 it is minus 1. Therefore you can write, therefore 4 solutions are, you can write these point 0 3 comma 3 1 comma minus 3 5 and 6 minus 1. So likewise you can find the solution of any of the equation which is given to you. It is up to you. Just take one variable to the left side and other to the right side and solve the equations by putting some random values so that you can have the easy calculation. Hope it is clear. Now let us see how to draw the graph of any of the given linear equation. I have a caution to make it clear. So draw the graph of x minus y is equal to 3. So in the previous section you have learned how to write the 4 solutions. To draw the graph of any of the equation, at least we need 3 solutions. So I have done 3 solutions here. You can see x minus y is equal to 3, then y is equals to x minus 3 because y will come this way and x will go to there, but I have changed the sides. Then at x is equals to 1. So 1 minus 3 here. I have written 1 minus 3 will be minus 2. Add 1 it is minus 2. When x is equals to 2, you can see 2 minus 3. So it will be minus 1, and when x is 3, 3 minus 3 0. So I have 3 points, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1 and 3 0. And now I have made a graph here. X dash horizontal axis, x axis, y dash vertical axis, y axis, and this is horizon. And from this you know the minimum value of y is minus 2 and maximum is 0, and x is 1 and maximum is 3. So I need to take these points 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have taken one extra, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to plot these points. You have learned this in 3rd chapter, 1 and 2. So actually the answers are what? 1 and minus 2. Next is 2 and minus 1, and third is 3 and 0. So I need to plot these 3 points. You have learned this in last chapter, 3rd chapter. So 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. So this is the point 1 minus 2. Next is 2 then minus 1, 2 then minus 1. So let me write it at the top, 2 then minus 1. This will be here, and 3 0. 2 minus 1. This is 3 0. So you need to just join these points and you will have a straight line here. What was the point? Line was x minus y is equals to 3. So this is the graph of that particular linear equation, x minus y is equals to 3. So likewise you can draw the graph of any equation. Simply write its 3 or 4 solutions. Minimum 3 are required. It is up to you. You run to 4 or 6. You want to write a few questions from your NCERT book. The first question is this from exercise 4.3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y is equals to ax plus 7, find the value of a. The solution is very simple. Here 3, 4 is a solution of 3y is equals to ax plus 7. Therefore it satisfies the equation. Hence x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. Now 3y, 3 into 4 is equals to a into 3 plus 7. So we have 3 4s are 12 is equals to 3a plus 7. Therefore 3a is equals to 12 minus 7. Hence 3a is equals to 5, and a will be 5 upon 3, or you can write 3 ones are 3, 2 upon 3. So this will be your answer. You can write either 5 upon 3 or 1 whole 2 upon 3. One more question is there from your exercise. Let us discuss that question also. Here we have the next question. It is some 4th question in exercise 4.3. The question is the taxi fare for first kilometer in a city is 8 rupees, and for subsequent kilometer it is rupee 5 per kilometer. So write a linear equation with this information. So you just write solution. Let the total distance is equals to x kilometer and total fare is equals to rupees y. Therefore, see, actually for first kilometer it is rupees 8. For 2 kilometer, it is rupees 8 plus 5. For 3 kilometers, it is rupees 8 plus 5 into 2, because 2 kilometer here and 5 rupee per kilometer, and 8 rupees for first kilometer. For 4 kilometer, it is rupees 8 plus 5 into 3. So you can see, for 4 kilometer it is 3, for 3 kilometer it is 2, for 2 kilometer it is 5 into 1. So now we need to similarly do the same thing for x kilometer. Fare is equals to 8 plus 5 multiplied x minus 1, because when x kilometer, so I need to take a number less than the x, or this is y is equals to 8 plus 5x minus 5, or y is equals to 5x plus 3. So either this may be your answer, or you can write this 5x minus y plus 3 is equals to 0 also will be your answer. And after that you can draw the graph easily, because I told you how to draw the graph. Put any 3 values of x and get the value of y. You can put x is equals to 0, minus 5, minus 2 and minus 1, whatever you want, and get the value of y and draw the graph. Hope the video is interesting. Thank you for watching, and if you find it useful, press like and subscribe my channel, and keep watching for the next topics from your class. Goodbye.